Welcome to the 101-day journey into the world of data science. Understanding the data science lifecycle is crucial for any data project. It typically includes the following steps. In data science, the process begins with the problem definition, where the first step is to identify and clearly define the problem that needs to be solved. Once the problem is well understood, the next phase is data collection, where the relevant data required to address the problem is gathered. Following this, the data undergoes cleaning and pre-processing to ensure it's ready for analysis. This involves handling any missing values, outliers, and other inconsistencies that might distort the results. With clean data, the next step is exploratory data analysis, EDA. Here, the data is explored through statistical summaries and visualizations to uncover patterns, trends, and insights. After understanding the data, the focus shifts to modeling. At this stage, machine learning algorithms are applied to build predictive models that can solve the problem defined earlier. These models then need to be rigorously evaluated using various metrics such as accuracy, precision, and recall to ensure they perform well. Once the model meets the required standards, it moves to the deployment phase, where it is implemented in a production environment, making it available for real-world use. However, the process doesn't end there. Post-deployment, it's crucial to engage in monitoring and maintenance to continuously track the model's performance and update it as necessary to ensure it remains effective over time. Presented lifecycle ensures that data science projects are systematic and lead to meaningful results. Over the next few days, we'll explore each of these stages in more detail.